guys, hope all of you are doing great. I am Garima and I make videos about DIYs, home decor and lifestyle improvement. And in today's video, I'm going to do a double bedsheet haul. I haven't done a bedsheet haul in really long time, and last time when I posted the video, you guys really loved it. You wanted to see some more budget-friendly bedsheet hauls. So here I am, and this time I'm gonna do the haul from Flipkart. So Flipkart is having its big Bachat Dhamal sale from 19th to 21st of November, and you can get up to 80% off on furnishing and decor. So do not miss this opportunity. And all the bed sheets I'm going to show you today are from genuine brands. They do offer cash on delivery. You can also avail easy return and refund if needed. So it's a big haul. So let's start without wasting any more time. So the first bed sheet in our haul is this beautiful vibrant yellow bed sheet. I got this one for summers. As the sale was going on, I thought let me buy some bed sheets for summer as well, as the products were available at very low prices. And it comes with a little card which says this has a soft finish. This is tested for shrinkage. It means it is already been washed, I think, and if you will wash it again, it will not shrink anymore. So this is a good feature, and this is tested for color and durability as well. So it means it will not have any color bleed as such. And the design looks really nice, and I will show you the pillowcases as well. This comes with two standard sized pillowcases. The pillowcases size is really nice. Sometimes they do give very small pillowcases and the pillow looks very stuffed. So this is a good size. As you can see, it's quite big, so you can insert your pillows very comfortably. And coming to the print of the bed sheet, this is the print. It has some red flowers and green leaf. This looks really nice. I think I can use it in the guest room during summers. So this is how it looks.
So this is how it looks on the bed. Isn't it looking gorgeous? Thanks to Flipkart's Big Bachat Dhamal sale, lowest prices ever are being offered on home decor and furnishing, so do not miss this opportunity. This is a limited time offer, so do not miss this chance. Make your wish list and buy whatever products you like.
Second bedsheet in our haul is this beautiful green and aqua colored bedsheet, and this again comes with the same features, tested for shrinkage, tested for color and durability. So this is a very good feature again in the bedsheet. You don't have to worry while purchasing if you will have shrinkage or color bleed. So this is a beautiful green colored bedsheet. I got this one for my mother-in-law. She likes green, so I got this beautiful bed sheet. All the bed sheets I'm going to show you today are mostly cotton only. If there is some other fabric, I'll mention it. And this is how it looks. It is a very soothing print, and this is slightly a traditional print. I don't usually go for traditional prints, but as this was for my mother-in-law, I went with this beautiful traditional print. It has a green base, and then there are some blue and aqua colored flowers, and it will also look very beautiful during summers. This also comes with two pillowcases in the same print, and the size is also nice, same as the previous one. This is. Now let me show you the pillowcases. The pillowcases are also in the same print, and the size is also nice, same as the first bed sheet. It is in standard size and looks quite good to me. Third bed sheet in our haul is for my bedroom. So I like using light colored bed sheets in my bedroom, and then I cover it using a bed cover because I have a kid at home, so you know how things work. So this is a beautiful cremish based bed sheet, and it has got a very light beautiful stripe, and then it has got a lovely design. I will open it and show it to you. So this is how it looks. It looks very elegant, very royal also. So even if you place it in your guest bedroom, it will look really nice. It has a very subtle print and the fabric feels smooth and nice. And let me show you the pillowcases as well. Pillowcases are again in the same design, and the size, let me show you the size as well. So these are also in a very nice standard size. Fourth bedsheet in our haul is again a summerish print. So I got this beautiful white bedsheet. It has a floral design, very beautiful summerish floral design. You can see some yellow flowers, some blue and green leaves. It looks really soothing and nice. This is again cotton, so you can use it very comfortably during summer. Pillowcases are also in the same design and the size is also standard.
Never before prices are being offered on decor and furnishing during this big Bachat Dhamal sale. Even top brands are being offered at unbelievable prices.
So again, the next bed sheet is having a white base, and it has again a floral print. So this is how the bed sheet looks. This has blue and green flowers. It looks really soothing and perfect for your bedroom or your guest room. This is how it looks, and this also comes with two pillowcases in the standard size and in the same print. So if you're worried about keeping them clean, then always use a bed cover. Bed covers are saviors. Also, to keep the bed clean whenever you are retiring to bed in the evening, you can simply take off the bed cover and you get a clean bed. So if you are skeptical about using white bed sheets, then this is how you can use them. Next bed sheet in our haul is again a white based bed sheet, but this one has got a geometric bed sheet. Now I am not a huge fan of geometric prints, but some of the prints look really nice, and I got this one. So this is a white based bed sheet again, and again it has got little bit of aqua, some olive green and a touch of yellow. So it looks really nice and elegant, and this is again perfect for your guest room, or you have teenage kids, then you can use it in their bed as well. It looks really nice and it's very elegant. Again, it is cotton fabric, and it comes with pillowcases in the same print. And again, the size, let me show you the size. Size is standard as well, and I really like the color combination. The pop of yellow looks really nice all over the bed sheet and in the pillowcase.
Shop everything at lowest price. Grab your favorite product now or it will be gone. You can find some very beautiful bed sheets on Flipkart under just rupees 299.
Next bedsheet in our haul is again a white based bedsheet, but I really like the color combination. I think this is one of my favorite bedsheet in the haul. So I like the combination of pink and orange a lot. If you can see it closely, it looks very beautiful, and the touch of this brown colored leaves makes it look very beautiful print. It looks very elegant, and if you spread it over the bed, it will look really nice. I will place it over the bed and show it to you. So this is how the bed sheet looks.
Best deals on decor and furnishing are being offered during Flipkart's Big Bachat Dhamal sale. All the products I am showing you today are under a small budget.
Last bed sheet in our haul is this beautiful blue striped and check printed bed sheet. So this design will come on the sides of the bed, and this stripes will come in the middle section. So this is going to look very beautiful and elegant, perfect for your guest room or your teenage kids. And the fabric is really nice and soft, and I really like the combination of stripe and checks. It looks quite elegant, and this also comes with two pillowcases like the rest of the bed sheets. The size looks standard, and this again has got combination of stripes and checks. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's huge bed sheet haul, and all the products I have shown you today are from Flipkart. Do remember to check out their big budget dhamaka sale going on right now from 19th to 21st November, and all the product links will be available in the description box as well. I will see you soon. Till then, take care and have fun.